Men of all ages need to have strong pelvic floor muscles. If you do Kegel exercises on a regular basis, then you can substantially strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. By having strong pelvic floor muscles, you may be able to reduce urinary and bowel incontinence and improve your sexual health. How do I find my pelvic floor muscles? Your pelvic floor muscles are a group of muscles that form a small sling or hammock that runs between your pubic bone in the front of your body to your tailbone, end of your spine, at the back. Finding your pelvic floor muscles is pretty simple. Try stopping the flow of your urine when you are sitting on the toilet. Only do this until you learn how it feels, otherwise this stopping and starting of urine flow can lead to other health problems. You can also insert a finger into your vagina and squeeze the muscles in your vagina around it. You should feel pressure around your finger. The muscles you feel lifting inside of you when you are trying these activities are the same ones you strengthen during Kegel exercises. Now, we show you 8 pelvic floor exercises for men, easy and effective. Number 1. Squats. To do a basic squat, start with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Keep your chest up, engage your abdominals, and shift your weight onto your heels as you push your hips back into a sitting position. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel or almost parallel to the floor. You should feel the squat in your thighs and glutes. Pause with your knees over, but not beyond, your toes. Exhale and push back up to the starting position. Number 2. Lunges. How to do a lunge. Start in a standing position with your feet hip width apart. Step forward longer than a walking stride so one leg is ahead of your torso and the other is behind. Your foot should land flat and remain flat while it's on the ground. Your rear heel will rise off of the ground. Bend your knees to approximately 90 degrees as you lower yourself. Remember to keep your trunk upright and core engaged. Then, forcefully push off from your front leg to return to the starting position. Number 3. Squat jump. Jump with the legs fully extended, the feet will be a few inches, or more, off the floor. Descend and control your landing by going through your foot, toes, ball, arches, heel, and descend into the squat again for another explosive jump. Upon landing, immediately repeat the next jump. Number 4. Reverse lunge. Stand upright, with your hands at your hips. Take a large step backward with your left foot. Lower your hips so that your right thigh, front leg, becomes parallel to the floor with your right knee positioned directly over your ankle. Return to standing by pressing your right heel into the floor and bringing your left leg forward to complete 1 rep. Number 5. Jumping lunge. Take a large step backward and lower your hips, so that your back knee is just above the floor, and your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Jump into the air and switch leg positions. Jump again and return to the starting position. Repeat the exercise until set is complete. Number 6. Isometric wall squat. Start with your back against a wall with your feet shoulder width and about 2 feet from the wall. Engage your abdominal muscles and slowly slide your back down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Adjust your feet so your knees are directly above your ankles, rather than over your toes. Keep your back flat against the wall. Number 7. Plank. Get down on the ground. Rest your weight on your elbows and your toes. Squeeze your glutes and core to create full body tension. Your back should form a straight line, don't let your pelvis dip down or your butt to rise up. Number 8. Push-ups. Contract your abs and tighten your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Inhale as you slowly bend your elbows and lower yourself to the floor, until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle. Exhale while contracting your chest muscles and pushing back up through your hands, returning to the start position.